Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? I have got my AC in. Oh man, if y'all could just feel that. Man, that feels good. I came out here yesterday and they did a real good job wiring it up all the way back to the panel box. And I got it set on 73, and it's doing pretty well in here. This is a 24 by 30 shop, and like I said, it's all insulated, and it is nice in here. It's probably 85, 88 outside, something like that right now, and it's 60991. But it's a Mitsubishi 2-ton. I'll put a description there, or link down it for the description on it. But the install and everything, and I'll walk out back here and show you what it looks like. Shut my door, I want to let that cold air out, right? And it's Mitsubishi electric. They did a nice job on that. And you have to excuse the grass. I gotta get that tomorrow. But anyhow, it is nice in here. So this is my ultimate start of my man cave, which is, in case some of y'all might have asked, that's Lugnut's garage. That goes back to my racing days. I went to the drag strip one time and didn't have but 2 lug nuts. I told them, hell, all you need is 2 nuts, right? And anyhow, that's back to me and some more guys were racing. But anyhow, I'll give y'all an update. It got installed. It's really nice in here. I don't have a temp gun with me, but it feels good right there. And it's comfortable over here too. And I'm like way back from it. I don't have any of the fans on or anything, little bitty personal fan, or that fan, I don't have them on. And it's pretty nice. Anyhow, like I said, I'll put a link in the description down there for this Mitsubishi electric inverter mini split. And like I said, it's about $4,000 installed. And I know, you can get the Mr. Cool things for $500 on eBay and do it yourself, but if that's what you want to do, you do it. But this also comes with 5-year warranty on the compressor and parts. So, I think they did a real fantastic job of putting it in. All right, y'all take care, stay cool, bye.